Volkswagen vehicles are known for German engineering, precision, and advanced technology. But what many owners don't realize is that some of the very features designed to make these cars more advanced can actually become the biggest threats to long-term reliability. In fact, several Volkswagen systems that look impressive on paper have quietly caused expensive repairs, unexpected breakdowns, and thousands of dollars in maintenance costs for owners around the world. And the worst part? Most drivers have no idea these features are slowly creating problems until it's already too late. From complex engine technologies to electronic systems that can trigger mysterious faults, some Volkswagen features can quietly damage critical components over time if you don't understand how they work. In this video, we're going to reveal 7 of the most dangerous Volkswagen features that can quietly destroy long-term reliability. We'll break down how these systems work, the hidden problems they can cause over time, and why so many owners only discover the damage after expensive repairs begin. Most importantly, you'll learn what every Volkswagen driver should know before these small issues slowly turn into major repair bills. Because once you understand these features, you might start looking at your Volkswagen very differently. Let's get started. Feature number 7, Start-Stop System. At first glance, Volkswagen's start-stop system seems like a smart piece of technology. The idea is simple. Every time the car stops at a traffic light or in heavy traffic, the engine automatically shuts off to save fuel and reduce emissions. The moment you release the brake pedal, the engine starts again. It sounds efficient, and on paper, it is. But the hidden cost comes from the constant engine restarting that happens during normal city driving. Every start cycle places stress on several critical components, especially the starter motor, battery, and engine bearings. In older cars, the engine might start only a few times per trip. With start-stop technology, that number can easily jump to dozens of restarts in a single drive. Volkswagen strengthened some components to handle this, but over time, many owners still experience premature battery failure, starter wear, and electrical system strain. And when these parts fail, they're not cheap to replace. What makes the situation worse is that many drivers don't realize how heavily this feature is working in the background. The system activates automatically every time the vehicle starts, meaning the engine may be cycling on and off hundreds of times every week. It's a small feature designed to save a little fuel, but over the long run, it can quietly contribute to costly reliability problems. Feature number 6, Electronic Parking Brake. In older vehicles, the parking brake was simple. A mechanical hand lever pulled a cable that locked the rear brakes. It was basic, reliable, and rarely caused problems. But many modern Volkswagen models replaced that simple system with an electronic parking brake. Instead of a cable, the system now relies on electric motors, sensors, and control modules to engage and release the rear brakes with the push of a button. At first, it feels like a convenience upgrade, but the complexity behind it introduces several new reliability risks. The small electric motors attached to the rear brake calipers are constantly exposed to heat, moisture, dirt, and road salt. Over time, these conditions can cause the motors to stick or fail completely. When that happens, the brake may refuse to release. Or worse, it may not engage properly when the car is parked. And repairing it is not as simple as replacing a cable. Often, the entire brake caliper with the electronic motor needs to be replaced, and the system usually requires diagnostic programming afterward. What used to be a simple mechanical component has now become a complex electronic system, and when it fails, the repair cost can surprise many Volkswagen owners. Feature number 5, Direct Fuel Injection, TSI technology. Volkswagen's TSI engines use direct fuel injection, a technology designed to improve power, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Instead of spraying fuel into the intake manifold like older engines, the fuel is injected directly inside the combustion chamber at extremely high pressure. This allows the engine to burn fuel more precisely, producing more power while using less fuel. On paper, it's a major engineering advantage, but this system also introduced one of the most common reliability issues seen in many modern Volkswagen engines: carbon buildup on the intake valves. In older engines, fuel passed over the intake valves and naturally cleaned them during operation, but in direct injection engines, fuel never touches those valves anymore. That means oil vapors and combustion gases from the engine's crankcase ventilation system slowly stick to the valves and harden into thick carbon deposits. Over time, this buildup can cause rough idling, reduced power, poor fuel economy, and even misfires. And the frustrating part is that normal driving or fuel additives cannot remove these deposits. Fixing the problem often requires a specialized cleaning procedure known as walnut blasting, where crushed walnut shells are used to physically remove the carbon buildup. For many Volkswagen owners, this maintenance becomes necessary after 60,000 to 80,000 miles, turning an advanced fuel-saving technology into an unexpected maintenance cost. Feature number 4, turbocharging. Turbocharging is one of the technologies that helped make modern Volkswagen engines both powerful and fuel-efficient. Even small engines like the popular TSI units can produce impressive horsepower thanks to a turbocharger forcing extra air into the engine. The concept is brilliant. A small engine can deliver the power of a much larger one while using less fuel during normal driving. But this performance comes with a hidden reliability risk. Turbochargers operate under extreme conditions. The turbine inside the turbo can spin at over 200,000 revolutions per minute while being exposed to extremely high exhaust temperatures. To survive these conditions, the turbo depends heavily on clean engine oil for lubrication and cooling. If oil changes are delayed, the wrong oil is used, or the engine is shut off immediately after heavy driving, the turbocharger can suffer from oil starvation or heat damage. Over time, this can lead to worn bearings, oil leaks into the intake system, reduced boost pressure, or complete turbo failure. And replacing a turbocharger is rarely cheap. In many Volkswagen models, turbo replacement can cost well over $1,000, sometimes much more when additional components are involved. It's a powerful piece of technology that makes Volkswagen engines feel exciting to drive. But if it isn't properly maintained, it can also become one of the most expensive reliability problems an owner may face. Feature number 3, dual clutch transmission DSG. Volkswagen's DSG, or direct shift gearbox, is one of the most advanced transmissions used in modern vehicles. Instead of a traditional automatic with a torque converter, DSG uses 2 separate clutches to pre-select gears. While one gear is engaged, the next gear is already prepared. This allows the transmission to shift extremely fast and smoothly, giving the car a sporty feel and improving fuel efficiency. From a performance perspective, it's impressive technology, but the complexity behind the DSG system has also created reliability concerns for many owners. Inside the transmission, a component called the mechatronic unit controls the clutches and gear changes, using a combination of hydraulics, sensors, and electronic control systems. When this unit begins to fail, drivers may experience jerky shifting, hesitation, warning lights, or the transmission suddenly going into limp mode. In some cases, the clutches themselves can also wear faster than expected, especially in heavy stop-and-go traffic. And unlike traditional automatic transmissions, repairing a DSG system is rarely simple. The mechatronic unit alone can cost thousands of dollars to replace, and specialized diagnostics are often required to properly repair the system. So while DSG delivers incredible driving performance, its complexity means that when something goes wrong, the the repair can quickly become one of the most expensive transmission problems Volkswagen owners face. Feature number 2. Extensive electronic control modules. Modern Volkswagen vehicles are packed with advanced electronics. Nearly every function in the car, from the engine and transmission to the windows, lighting, steering, and climate control, is managed by separate electronic control modules. In fact, many Volkswagen models contain dozens of small computers communicating with each other through complex networks such as the CAN bus system. This level of technology allows the car to deliver features like adaptive driving modes, advanced safety systems, smart diagnostics, and precise engine management. On the surface, it makes the vehicle feel more modern and sophisticated, but the downside is the extreme dependency on electronics. When everything works perfectly, these systems operate silently in the background. But when even one module begins to malfunction, it can trigger a chain reaction of confusing problems. Owners sometimes experience issues like random warning lights, sensors giving incorrect readings, features suddenly stopping, or the vehicle entering limp mode without a clear mechanical fault. And diagnosing these issues is not always straightforward. Because so many systems are connected, a fault in one module can send incorrect signals to others, making the real cause difficult to identify. Technicians often need specialized diagnostic tools and significant troubleshooting time to locate the problem. In some cases, the repair may involve reprogramming software, replacing expensive control modules, or tracing damaged wiring deep inside the vehicle. What makes this particularly frustrating for owners is that the car itself may be mechanically healthy, yet an electronic glitch can still make it behave as if something serious has gone wrong. As Volkswagen vehicles become more technologically advanced, these electronic systems bring convenience and performance, but they also introduce a new level of complexity that can quietly threaten long-term reliability if something in the network begins to fail. Feature number 1. Long life service intervals. One of the most overlooked features that can quietly damage Volkswagen reliability is something that sounds completely beneficial: long life service intervals. Many Volkswagen models are designed with extended maintenance schedules, sometimes recommending oil changes every 10,000 miles, or even longer depending on driving conditions. For owners, this sounds convenient. Fewer service visits mean less time at the dealership and lower short-term maintenance costs. But the reality inside the engine can be very different. Modern Volkswagen engines, especially turbocharged TSI engines, operate under very high temperatures and pressures. The turbocharger, direct injection system, and tight internal tolerances place enormous stress on engine oil. Over time, that oil begins to break down, lose lubrication quality, and accumulate carbon deposits. When oil stays in the engine for too long, it can lead to several long-term problems, such as sludge buildup, increased engine wear, clogged oil passages, and even damage to turbocharger bearings. Some of the well-known reliability issues seen in certain Volkswagen engines, including timing chain tensioner wear and excessive carbon buildup, can become worse when oil change intervals are stretched too far. Many experienced Volkswagen technicians actually recommend changing the oil much earlier, often around 5,000 miles, to keep the engine properly protected. So while long life service intervals may look like a convenience feature, they can sometimes encourage owners to wait longer than the engine really benefits from. And over time, that decision can slowly shorten the life of critical components inside the engine. Volkswagen vehicles are packed with impressive engineering and innovative technology. Many of these features were designed to improve performance, efficiency, and driving comfort. But as you've seen, some of them also come with hidden risks that can slowly affect long-term reliability if owners don't understand how they work. The important thing to remember is this: these features aren't necessarily bad, but knowing about them allows you to maintain your Volkswagen the right way and avoid expensive surprises down the road. A little awareness and proper maintenance can make the difference between a Volkswagen that lasts for years and one that starts developing costly problems far too early. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, Volkswagen Hub, for more insights, hidden tips, and real stories about Volkswagen cars that every owner should know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.